us finding other things to do in the rain. You don't mind that it's raining, do you? Ruby, what do you think? Ruby boy? What do you think about the rain? You don't care, do you? It's fun. Hi! Hi! Bounce, bounce, bounce! Pouring down. I can't get them, darling. Lila wants me to get her goggles from the bottom of the pool. And I'm not dressed. What you thinking? Hello. Hello. Hello, handsome. You like the rain? Rafe. Rafe. You like the rain, darling? Yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hello! How you doing? Yeah? That's right. I think so too. Oh, what's over there? What's over there? Huh? Hey Lila, can you swim across the pool so I can take a video of you and show Granny, Granddad and Granny May? Swim right across so we can see you're good swimming. Yeah, I'm taking a video right now. Can you go? She's very busy. Richie!